Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today you have definitely chosen the right channel because I'm going to create 4 restoration hardware inspired DIY canvases using materials that you probably have never even thought of. And on one of those canvases that I create in this video, the material that I use, I guarantee that we all have this sitting in our closets and we can create a canvas today. So if you guys are just inspired as I am and you're ready, let's hop into this video. Right off the back, I'm going to tell you guys this particular brand of clay that I'm using right now, you have to put in some work to get this rolled out flat as you want it. And it wasn't pliable as I thought it would be, but I still tried to make it work. But I wanted to leave this scene in here to show you that hey, everything does not come out the way you planned it, but I had to go to a plan B with this clay just because it wasn't doing what I had in my head. So I went to a plan B and it worked out perfect. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this. And let me say this before you throw this whole Crayola clay ideal out of the window. My countertops are called a leather granite, so it feels like leather when you touch it. So that could be one of the issues of why my clay did not come up in one piece like I thought it would. So just to let you guys know that I do have a leather granite countertop. And the point of this particular canvas was I wanted to create a 3D abstract art, and what I had in my head, it didn't turn out like that. So I just created something different and it still turned out beautiful. So when you create this stuff, just do whatever you please. And yes, I already know you guys are looking at these canvas pieces and saying, why is she messing up all these canvases? But I've got this particular canvas from Hobby Lobby about 2 years ago. It was $15. I just wanted the size. I didn't even care about how it looked. I am using spackling paste right here, you guys, and I created such a beautiful abstract art for my office with this spackling paste. You guys, just so you know, I did do one layer, let it dry, and then I came back and did a second layer just to give it a little bit more of a lift, and I love that look, and I'm glad I did that. Okay, you guys, confession time. Now, before I did this particular canvas, I took a deep breath and I thought about it. And the vision that I had in my head outweighed the canvas, so I said go. You guys, I really do want you to tell me when this video is done in the comments, do you think that it turned out better than how it looked originally? Because I love how it turned out. You guys, I bet you never would have thought about using a sheet for a canvas. Like I said in the beginning of the video, we all have this in our home. I am using a twin size sheet. This is something that I just had laying around for art projects. So let me know what you think of the sheet method for a canvas art piece. Now here I decided to use some modeling clay, which was definitely easier than using the clay, and it came up pretty much in one piece. So this created more of the look that I originally wanted to do. And so I'm so glad that I went back to Michael's and talked to somebody, and they kind of helped me pick out what would probably work for what I wanted. So I was going for a wave look. I wanted it to look like it was waves on the canvas, and it didn't quite turn out like that, but I think for my first time creating all four of these art pieces, I think I did a good job. So I just want to let you guys know that it still turned out cute. It didn't quite look like waves, but it's okay. Okay, now it's time to paint. If you've never heard me say, go to the Dollar Tree or to Walmart and get those plastic party table covers to use for a backdrop for when you paint, you have to go do that, because this is the easiest thing to do, and that way you can reuse it or you can just get rid of it, and it only costs you like $1 or $1.50. So great idea for those of you who have never tried this. I'm so glad that I used the white sheet on this particular canvas, because any color that I got from the spray bottle, I knew that it would look exactly like I wanted it. So this turned out just better than what I even imagined. I love the way this turned out, and I can't wait for you guys to see where I actually put this in the house. Perfect. So I put this in front of my desk so I can actually look at it, because I'm going to put the fireplace underneath this picture. If you cannot tell, this is the star of the show. I don't even know what else to tell you. This particular canvas is my favorite DIY of the video. I just love this picture. I feel like I could sell this canvas. I am not lying. I decided to put this canvas in the guest bathroom. Actually, I put 2 of the DIY canvases in this bathroom. You guys let me know which canvas you loved in the comments, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.